Hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. I have something extra special, extra fun to do today with you. I am starting to mix up the bags of pay dirt for my Easter pay dirt giveaway. This is a lot of fun. I have gold, I have silver, but beyond that I have a lot of very, very special gemstones to go in here. Sapphires, peridot, topaz, a bunch of others, and including diamonds. Yes, there will be diamonds in here. They're small, but they are real diamonds. I have 100 of these bags to make up. I'm going to start today while you watch so you can see all the beautiful things that are going into here. And I've got some pretty good, nice close-up shots of everything. So this should be fun. I hope you enjoy as much as I am going to. Now for the dirt that makes up the pay dirt, I have 5 different bins of different dirt from the Fraser, the Thompson, and all over. I've got a whole bunch from my Pickerton claim. That's not all of it. I've got a big bucket downstairs. I've got some from one of my favorite Fraser claims. There is lots of gold in that one. I've got some from the Thompson River, lots of black sand and fine, fine gold. I've got some cons here, some sifted down cons. There still is lots of fine gold in there. Taking out all the coarse gold from this one, but there's still lots of fine. And then I have the coarse stuff from the Fraser River. That will make up the dirt that's in the pay dirt. I'm going to put a few scoops of each one in each bag, and then I'm going to add the good stuff. Now the good stuff here, we have 2 different types of metal, gold and silver, and about 10 different types of gemstones. Well, maybe not 10, but close to it. I'm going to go through each one and show you what's going in. So we're going to start off with the gold. I've got about 5 grams of gold here. Yes, 5 grams of gold split between 100 bags is not going to be a lot, but there will be gold in every bag, as well as the native stuff that's in that dirt. I have silver. Silver nuggets. Now these are not real natural silver nuggets. This is actually casting grain, what we use for making jewelry. And I thought I'd put 1 piece of silver in each bag so people can see what it looks like and see how it acts in the pan. And they would have at least 1 nugget, if you will, in each pan. Now, I've only got a few of these. These are pink garnets, and they're nice big ones. So I'm only going to be able to fill about 10 bags with pink garnets. So if you're lucky, 10% of them will have a nice big pink garnet. Peridot, I should have enough peridot for every single bag. Beautiful green gemstone. Aha, the topaz. This is a white topaz, although there is the odd blue one in there. I have enough topaz to do every single bag. Neat thing about garnets, peridot, topaz, sapphires, they're all heavy. So you pan them all out just like you'd normally be panning, and you'll have blue, these are heat treated, that's why they're blue, blue sapphires, clear topaz, green peridot, pink garnets, but we also have polished up red garnets. Aren't those beautiful? We have more sapphires. These are natural placer sapphires from Montana. I found them myself. And we'll have, there's not enough to go in every bag, but I'd say about half the bags will get a natural sapphire. Nice big garnets. I'm going to make sure there's a big garnet in every bag. This is a fun one. This is scheelite. It's a ore of tungsten. It's nothing special except for the fact that it's heavy. It's heavier than even black sand, so it's going to wash out after the black sands. I'm going to put a little pinch full of that in each person's pan, and there's lots of pyrite in there, possibly even this small molybdenum crystal. I saw a few of those go by. Skip over that one. Let's go to this one. Every bin is going to get an agate or an opal. It's going to be the big stone that's in there. We're going to have a big agate or opal in every bag. And I've got lots of them. And then the final one, the one everyone wants to see, diamonds. They're small, but every bin, am I going to do every? I should be able to get at least one diamond in every one. That's all I have right there. Hopefully there's 100 in there. I'll put a diamond in every one. These are small, and you're going to have to really look for them. They're a yellowish green gemstone, a yellowish green diamond, but these are real natural diamonds. And hopefully there's at least 100 there, so every bag can get one. There we go. Those are the gems that are going in the bag. Now I'm going to be slightly cruel. In a couple of the bags, I think 2 of the bags, I am going to load the bag with this garnet sand. This is sand made up of about 50% garnets. Garnets are very heavy, so a couple of the stranger bags will just be loaded in garnets. And I mean, I'm going to fill the bag with this stuff. It is going to be full of garnet sand. And then for 2 of the bags, I'm going to put a huge excess of black sand in the bags. So there's going to be 2 really heavy black sand bags. Just for something a bit different. If you're one of the lucky or unlucky ones to get the garnet or black sand bags, you will end up with a lot of heavies in your pan. Now I'm going to start by mixing up only 2 bags, and those 2 special bags are going to go off ahead of time. I'm going to send one bag to Golden Paydirt Reviews. He does paydirt reviews on YouTube, so that hopefully you can see him panning this out before our Easter giveaway. I'm hoping I didn't leave it too late. So I'm going to mix up one for him right now, and I'm going to make sure that, you know, he gets one of everything so he can show that off. And I'm also going to mix up one, I haven't told him this yet, but I'm going to send one off to Clash Guitars, because he does a lot of paydirt review as well, and hopefully he can do that one of these. I don't know if it's going to come out before Easter or not though. So 2 bags to start with, and I'm going to make sure that they're good bags, so that, you know, I'm not trying to fool anyone here. I'm going to make sure these are good bags so that they have one of everything and they can show off what it actually looks like on their channels as well as just mine. So here we go. Well, let's start with a scoop from the Thompson. A scoop of the good stuff in the Fraser. Pickerton. The Cons. The Fraser course material. And then, let's get this camera down like this. Okay, let's start with the gold. All I'm going to do for the gold, yes, I will put bigger pieces in some of them. I'm not going to put them in these 2 I'm sending away to special people. I'm going to push my finger down into the gold, and that's how much extra gold gets put in. I'm going to put 1 piece of silver. Let's put a nice one in for Clash. Oh yeah. Here's a big chunky one. 1 piece of silver in there. Clash isn't going to get one of those. Those go out to the giveaway. Piece of peridot. Oh, two topazes, why not? I'm going to put a little pinch of the sapphires, so I don't know what I get, about 6 of them in there. 1 polished garnet. 1 natural sapphire. 1 unpolished but big garnet. A little pinch of scheelite goes in there. Ooh, how am I going to get 1 of these? There we go. There's 1 diamond in there. And of course, just to finish it off, a nice agate. Oh, let's put a few extra garnets in. We'll put a few extra garnets. Pinch of the garnet material. Why not? And there is my first bag done. Seal that up. I'll tape a card to the front, and that's my first one ready to go. Let's make another one. I actually have the sand in this one already. One of these is for Clash, one of them is for Paydirt review. Let's do this again. A fingerful of gold, a piece of silver, peridot, 2 topaz, a pinch of sapphire, 1 polished garnet, 1 natural sapphire, large garnet, pinch of scheelite. Ooh, get 1 diamond. Got it. There we go. 1 tiny diamond. It's in there. And, oh, an opal. Pinch of garnet sand. Why not? Oh, let's throw a pinch of heavies in here too. Pinch of black sand. And this one is good to go. Seal it up, put a card in the front, and I can send those 2 off. 2 down, 98 to go. Oh, this could be a long process. So while I'm showing off all these fantastic things in this Paydirt, nice close-up pictures of everything, let me explain to you how this giveaway is going to work. I'm going to give away 2 of these bags to my YouTube viewers after a scavenger hunt or an Easter egg hunt at Easter. I'm going to give you all the details of that Easter egg hunt at Easter time. I'm going to give away the rest of the bags to my patrons. Any $25 plus patron is going to get a bag automatically mailed out to them. Any of my $10 patrons, if they would like a bag, they have to pay the shipping, but I'll give them a free bag of Paydirt. They just have to pay the shipping. Any of my $5 or less, if you want to buy a bag, I will sell one of these bags to you for $20 plus shipping. Now, for anyone else who's not a patron, if I have bags left over, I'm only making 100 of them, if I have bags left over, I will sell you a bag for $40 plus shipping. And if any of my patrons want extra bags, I'm only going to give out extra bags to my patrons if I have enough, and it will be $40 per bag for extra bags. I will give the details of the scavenger hunt at Easter time, and I'm not going to ask my patrons if they want these things until then. So patrons just have to hold tight until Easter. I will collect a list of everyone that wants one at Easter time and then start figuring out how I'm going to mail them all off. International orders overseas, might cost a bit more in shipping and will probably take a lot longer, but it looks like the shipping down into the United States, I'll drive across the border to send them, is going to be about $15 Canadian. And strangely enough, it looks like shipping within Canada is going to be around $20 Canadian. Yes, it's going to cost me more to ship within my own country than it costs to ship outside my country. Nice, eh? Anyhow, there's the diamonds. Those are beautiful. These are man-made diamonds. You can tell by their crystal structure. They don't have the typical square crystal structure. These are man-made diamonds. Well, I have these two ready to go off to Klesh and Golden Paydirt Reviews. I will be sending them off tomorrow. And then looks like I just got a whole lot more to go do. This should be fun.
I hope you loved looking at those gems and gold and everything just as much as I do, because, you know, just fascinating to look at. So thank you, YouTube viewers. There are 2 bags of this pay dirt going out to my viewers out there just for the Easter egg hunt. I'm sorry I couldn't give them to every one of my subscribers. At $40 a bag, at 45,000 subscribers, that would be $1.8 million in pay dirt I'd have to give away. I just can't do that. So I've got 2 bags going to my viewers. I've got 98 going to my patrons, because you guys support me. You guys make it so all of this can happen. Without my patrons, I could not be doing this YouTube thing. So this is just one way of saying thank you out there to all my patrons. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video, say something in the comments about what you think about these beautiful gemstones. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you know when I put out new videos. Until the next one, everyone.